Hey guys, today we'll be see like how we can able to post our designs in LinkedIn and Behance. So usually what you are guys doing is like you are going to upload the images once like this once you are done with the design perspective. Instead of doing this, please upload in this phase. That will be helpful for you the engaging perspective. You need to create the entire banner for creating these presentations. So I'll be showing you like how we can able to create the banners from these small assignments to the complete engaging perspective, something like this. Now let us see how we can create this in Figma itself. This is what the assignment that you have done in the initial stage of the assignments. In this assignment, you can able to see this is 375 into 667, which is width is 375 and the height is 667. But the idea here is like this screen size is related to iPhone 8 or iPhone 6s, but this comes with the practical knowledge of 375 into 812. This is an iPhone 13 mini, the current trending version. Whoever is designing this, try to make the conversions in this way. Just create a frame with iPhone and then add the details and just change the alignments. That's it. Now I would like to create a mockup something like this, which I have shown you. To create that mockup, so go to these actions. In that you can see plugins. I already have the plugin which is mockup plugin. Just click on the mockup plugin. You can able to see n number of options. Here you can able to see there are a lot of free mockup. Click on the view more. You can able to find any type of mockup here. Just as free versions or sample versions you can able to create this from here itself. Already I have this mockup which is already created. So click on this, choose this one. So this is really customizable. That's what I can tell. Click on this plus option and click on this frame which is iPhone 13 mini. I'll tell the reason why we need to create. Let us say you are going to create this iPhone 7s or 16 or iPhone 6 or 7 or click on this and it is going to be loaded, but the only thing is the widths are going to be neglected. It is not in a proper way in the left side and right side. Rechanging or changing the entire size, that makes our life easy. I have changed this iPhone 6s to iPhone 13 mini. So this is my iPhone 13 mini. Now again I'm just going to here, click on this one and click on the iPhone 13 mini. So I got the aspect ratio in a proper way, so there is no cropping sections here. So click on this crop again. That's it. You can able to see the preview. All this design has been blended into this particular design itself. This is the preview version. Now I suggest to create a layered version. So I'll show like what actually happens with layered and without layered as well. Click on layered version and click on paste. That actually plays the entire layer scenarios. You can see and hand iPhone 16 Pro. Underneath that you can able to see artboard. In that artboard you can able to remove the background, you can able to remove the hand, you can able to remove iPhone, and you can able to remove the mockup as well. This comes with only with the layered itself. So what if happens without layer? When I click on this and again I click on the paste, this actually generates just an image itself. You can see the difference here. This is the layered one, this is the not layered one. I need the layered one itself rather than not layered one because I need to customize the entire screen itself. So just removing the unlayered version, only having the layered version itself. In that I'm going to remove this background itself. In other cases, whenever I design something, we are done with this mockup. So now we need to change the background itself. Create frame and create something with a desktop which is 1440 into this size. So we always use this size or like something like related to square size. Okay, so these are the two sizes we actually use a lot of times, but currently I'm just using 1440 into 1024 size and connecting this artboard design in the frame itself. So I just dragged this artboard from hand iPhone 16 Pro to desktop one, which is the frame that I would like to add it, and aligning this in a proper way, in a proper structure itself. Now I'd like to make sure that scaling perspective. Now how we can able to scale this without any discriminatory or like changing the things? You can use K or you can use something here on scale here. From this move tool to you can use to scale tool and just select this edge and click on shift, and then you can able to change something like this. This is where like how we can able to change size or any other things. Not only for this, you can able to change for text size and everything without any hassles. Now remove the background. So I'm just removing the background so that I can able to fit this mobile inside a frame itself in a proper way and structure itself. And then to make the things pop up, I'm just changing the background color to thing related to this bluish color itself, changing the colors. So this looks good. To make more interesting this one, I'm just collecting this image in the background, pasting something like this and making this to shift this to entire screen itself and realigning the layers to the background. background. Then changing blend appearance to the multiply also. Just checking like how this actually looks, and based on the scenarios I can able to take the decision. And also I can able to add some effect, something like layer blur, change this to layer blur, something like this. If you want to add some appearances, something like this, you can able to do it. You can able to change the appearance, something like this. Now I got the exact details what I'm just looking for. So I got some light background pattern itself. If you want, you can able to change the appearance a bit. Now this looks good. The 30% of opacity is really good. Again, I'm just taking login page, so I'm just writing here login, and then this should be always auto. The typography should be maybe like around 150 pixels of height, and this should be white color, and aligning it here something like this, and adding, this is a practice module, right? So I just added the practice module here and changed this to a medium with italic size, and then 30 pixels or so, and adding it to here. And if you want to have a rectangle in the background, you can have the rectangle. Click on K or use scale, and then shift, and then change the details, something like this. Now it looks the perfectly same size itself. Now change this. If you want to have a rectangle something like this in the background, so create a rectangle here, change the width to this one, and add practice module on top of this. If you want, you can able to change the size a bit lesser. Now let's do it, and change this color to white itself. Opacity to something around this will be the opacity, and corner radius to this one. You can able to see, instead of adding this one, if you can add these type of modules, that is really good when someone is seeing like things or so. Now instead of adding this normal screen in LinkedIn or Behance, if you can add this, there is a lot more value for this, and that will be helpful when you are attending for interviews as well. The presentation perspective is really good. That's what I can tell. Thank you.